oooga horn and fire truck siren sound off. The Demco 702 over there isn't doing anything. See, the Demco right there isn't doing anything. It's kind of just sitting there. So, fire truck siren is the gray one, and the red one is the oooga horn. So, here's what's gonna happen. The oooga horn's gonna go off first for like maybe 2 seconds, and then the fire truck siren is gonna activate after that, because that's how the timer is working on it. And so that's how it's gonna happen. There we go. And there you guys go. Got the full testing.